Hey vlog, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nia coming back with another video. Happy Halloween! If you celebrate Halloween, I hope you guys have a safe night. My days of dressing up are long over, but I'm about to take my sisters trick-or-treating. I'm excited to see what they're gonna be, and you know, big sis needs some candy. I need some Reese's cups. I need some M&Ms. Yeah, I'm gonna need some candy. But I'm on my way to go get them now. I'm literally using the flashlight on my phone right now because it's dark. It's 7 o'clock right now, so let's hurry up. But tell me your costumes.
I'm Nezuko from Demon Slayer. And
What? You got candy in your mouth.
I'm Nezuko from Demon Slayer.
Okay. I like their outfit. Cute, cute.
360.
360. Okay, how about you?
And I'm Sanjiro from Demon Slayer.
Okay, 360, cute. Let me see what candy you got.
I really have any.
Oh, you got some chips. They be giving out the full size. Okay, come on.
I really want some Kool-Aid.
Kool-Aid?
Yeah.
For Halloween?
I'm Capri Sun last year.
I'll take a Capri Sun, but... Huh? Go to that one. You think?
I don't think so.
Yeah, huh? They got a bowl there.
Oh.
These girls, they said they forgot to say trick or treat. They just going up to people's.
I said trick or treat.
They just going up to people's doors grabbing candy.
I said happy Halloween.
I'm just playing.
You gotta go in there and find your way out.
I'm gonna go first.
Yeah, you are. Help me! I'm gonna start crying.
Help me.
I'm breaking this down. No, please, actually.
Come on.
No, bro.
Stop.
I don't want to do this.
Come on in.
No.
It's okay.
It's scary.
No, it's not.
I don't want to go.
Come on.
No.
Go on this side. See, he didn't do it. Oh. See, it wasn't that bad. No, it wasn't.
I don't like getting scared.
It's like all the girls around me do their faces in the same.
Why are you pointing at me?
Hey vlog, today we are going to the pumpkin patch. This is the last weekend that they're doing it, so I got my minis with me. Say hey.
Hi.
And I'm waiting for my friend to come out now. I did go to Dunkin' Donuts and get me, this is what? This is a pumpkin spice cappuccino. This is the first time I tried it iced. It's okay, but it's about time for hot coffee, so I'm gonna see you guys when we get to the pumpkin patch. We made it. We got the whole gang with us. Hey,
You guys
he's so cute. So let me show you guys around. It's so cute in here, and the tickets were only $10. You can't beat it. This is such a great place to bring the kids. It's located in Lancaster, called Oregon corn maze, but I'm just gonna give you guys a quick little view. So they have some animals and stuff over there. They do have a tractor that comes and takes you out to the corn maze. They have like stuff for the kids to play. They have some food over there. Are you excited?
Yes.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
And it's such a nice day today. Get it, get it.
Get it, Papa. You gotta go to the highest.
You want to see the animals?
Not the ski ball. Not the ski ball. I wish I didn't wear a hoodie. It's too hot.
This is chickens. Oh, it's too many bees.
I know. What?
They say they come bite, so be careful.
I don't know if I want to touch it.
You don't want to?
Hey, yo, this thing has a bell.
Let me see if I have a quarter. Girl.
Look, right here, right here.
Yeah, I'm so scared.
Whoa! Good?
I'm scared.
What the heck?
I'm scared.
He's ugly. Go real quick. Let me see if it bites. Let me do it. You guys
Are you really gonna do it?
Wait. Don't bite me.
Oh!
They're so cute. They're gentle. Wow. No. No.
Oh, I did it. You wanna do it? You don't wanna do it? Just do it.
Bro, ew. Period. Get into it. I bet he's going again. Okay, now you're leaving my son over there by himself. My son's like, what's going on?
If y'all didn't know, I'm a pro at basketball. Nobody could beat me when it comes to playing basketball. So I'm about to show y'all something.
What? Not I throwing it the opposite way though. Look.
If I make this, somebody owe me some money.
No. Not the money. Oh, you owe somebody some money. Yeah, okay.
That was close though.
Couldn't even make it.
Close enough.
Lucky shot. No. Oh, Emily, you started it.
Look at him go.
Go! Go help the girl. Yeah, real gentleman. Go!
He making it go too.
Yeah.
All the corn that is around us and making up the corn maze that will get fed to the cows on the dairy farm. Probably next week we will harvest it. We also feed the cows a mag.
They have the little pumpkin patch here. They're having all you could pick pumpkins. But this is really cute to take pictures. See, she already calling me to take her pictures. Not him on the table. Ready to eat. We about to get some pizza. Keep it real.
Appetizer right now. We need the appetizers right now.
Keep it real, calm, and simple.
Hey, Mom.
You're welcome, baby.
You guys want fries?
Mommy duties.
Hey, fat monkeys.
So I'm currently reading Before I Let Go. This spot at the lake was perfect, and I recommend this if you love a good romance. This book has me in a chokehold right now. Hey vlog, so I didn't know that today they're having like a little Christmas parade across the street from my house. Well, it's really like right in front of my house. So I'm about to get me a hot chocolate from Dunkin' across the street, and we're gonna watch the parade. I know it's gonna be so cute because they always, in my area, they go crazy I wish I had my sisters, because I know they would have loved us to start, and there's so many people out here. They looking at me like, why you got this camera? That's enough parade for me. It was cute. It was just, you know, something more for the kids, but I'm going back home now. I need a nap. I don't know about you, but I need a nap. And ooh, I almost dropped my hot chocolate. But I'm gonna end the video here. I hope that you guys enjoy spending the weekend with me. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. I hope you guys have a blessed week, and love you guys.